Hi everybody, welcome to Cammy's studio. Yeah, I'm not in the garage today because it's still been too cold, although the cold is supposed to break tomorrow. I thought I'd show you something different today. Those of you who follow me on Instagram, at Cammy's Garage, will know that I've been doing a few caricatures of some of my favorite makers. Mostly because I wanted to create something, and because the cold has been keeping me out of the garage, this was the best way to do that. The first person I kind of did a caricature of was Tim Sway. Now, Tim Sway had a giveaway for his original square, and I drew this and won the giveaway thanks to Paul Jackman, who selected it as his favorite. That was pretty fun, and it kind of inspired me to do some other caricatures as well, mainly of these 5 makers that were recently in New York at YouTube Space. I did another one of Paul Jackman as well, of his major award spoof. So that inspired me to do more caricatures. I thought it would be kind of fun, something to keep me occupied when it's too cold in the garage. Then I discovered Charlie Kusurik had actually mentioned me in one of his videos and kind of gave me a shout out, so I figured I'd return the favor and do something nice for him. Next on the list was Christiana from Get Hands Dirty. She was really fun to caricature because of her outrageous coif here. You can see the photos that I used for reference. These were a couple of screen grabs from one of her videos. Just used them as reference and then drew a rough sketch. But the rough turned out pretty good actually, so I ended up just using it for the final drawing as well. Now I use an older version of a vector-based drawing package, and I have this tablet that allows me to draw right on the screen, and it also detects pressure of the brush, so I can make thin and fat lines, which really helps. It gives it an inked look. I wear the gloves so that my hand slides across the screen much easier. And then I did Chop with Chris. You can see the image that I used for reference. And my next target was Carl Jacobson. So now I figured I should keep the trend going, and of course I have to do Jimmy Diresta. So we're going to do Jimmy Diresta today. This is my drawing space, so I just move this over to the side. And so I have all my palettes on one screen, and my drawing surface is here. Aiming a camera at the screen isn't the best way to do this, but it's the quickest and easiest way I have right now. Now, when you do a caricature, you look at things that you can possibly exaggerate. Now, this is a screen capture I got from one of his videos, and in this particular video at this time, a rooster was crowing in the background and sort of interrupting his talking, so I thought I would try to incorporate that. Now, when I look at Jimmy, the first thing I notice is his thick glasses. I'm hesitant to call them Coke bottle glasses, but they're pretty thick, so I might try to exaggerate that. He's got thick, dark eyebrows as well, and this distinctive sort of Van Dyke beard here and mustache. So let's start. Done. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. A little something different than what I normally do, but kind of related. Really enjoyed doing this one. It kind of turned out alright. And that took me less than an hour. Took me about 45 minutes, I think. I can knock these out pretty quick, actually. So I have a few more makers lined up. I don't know if I'll make a video for them, but you'll certainly see it on Instagram. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time in Cammy's Garage.